Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Nobin Pradhan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called upon the global community to invest in Indian talent and innovate in the country. The Prime Minister was delivering the inaugural address at the India International Science Festival 2020 yesterday through video conferencing. Modi said, India has the brightest minds and celebrates a culture of openness and transparency. He said the government stands ready to address any challenge and improve the research environment in the country. He lauded the scientists for keeping India ahead and in a better position in the fight against corona. The Prime Minister said that India has a rich legacy in science, technology and innovation. Modi said, all our efforts are aimed at making India the most trustworthy center for scientific learning. At the same time, the government wants the scientific community to share and grow with the best of global talent. Education Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank said, keeping the COVID-19 pandemic in mind and after various consultations, the government has decided that board exams will not be held in February. He said exact dates will be announced soon. Pokhriyal yesterday said this while virtually interacting with teachers across the country on the upcoming competitive and board exams. The minister said he has received a lot of requests from various students and teachers to postpone the CBSE board exams for class 10 and 12. He said, being a student-centric government, it has always worked in the interest of the students. Regarding a suggestion on providing vocational education in class 9, Pokhriyal said that there are approximately 8,583 CBSE schools that offer vocational education. He informed that over 280,000 secondary schools, nearly 40,000 colleges, and more than 1,000 universities are expected to provide vocational education with internship after the implementation of NEP 2020. The minister also informed that CBSE, KVS and JNV undertook a massive exercise to build online teaching capabilities of their teachers as soon as the lockdown started. Pokhriyal said that due to the efforts made by the teachers, the online education system of the country has proved successful. The centre has said that the new strain of coronavirus found in the United Kingdom has not been seen in India so far. Briefing media in New Delhi, member Health in Niti Aayog, Dr. V.K. Paul said there is no cause for concern and no need to panic, but there is a need to remain vigilant. He said the new strain of COVID-19 in the United Kingdom has increased transmissibility. He said this mutation is not affecting the severity of the disease and case fatality is not affected by this mutation. He said as of now it has no impact on the potential of the emerging vaccines. Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju yesterday virtually inaugurated the Khelo India State Centre of Excellence, Nagaland, in the presence of advisor for Nagaland Department of Youth Resource and Sports, Zale Nikha. Rijiju also inaugurated 7 other Khelo India State Centres of Excellence in Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Kerala, Telangana and Karnataka in the presence of state sports ministers. Speaking on the occasion, Rijiju said, this is a very important day for sports in India and it is a very important beginning to develop sports culture and excellence in the country. He said the youth in India is looking for initiatives from the Government of India and the state governments. He said Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said sports has to be a way of life for every Indian and the Government of India wants to create basic facilities for everyone. The Union Minister reiterated the vision is to see India in the top 10 in the Los Angeles Olympics 2028. And as the nation fights COVID-19 pandemic, let us all remember to stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, wash hands frequently with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer, and follow social distancing norms. And that's all the news we have for you this morning. Have a nice day.